Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get refund on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Trips icon. Here you will see all your current and past booking details. Find the booking you cancel or want a refund for. It could be a flight, hotel or car rental. Tap on it to open the details. Scroll down and look for a section called Refund Status or Payment and Refund. If a reward is available, you will see the amount and the expected timeline. If you don't see a refund, automatically you might need to request one. Look for a button that says Request Refund or Contact Expedia. Tap it to send a refund request or contact customer service. After requesting, Expedia will review your case. If approved, the refund will go back to your original payment method, usually within a few days to weeks depending on your bank or credit card. And that's it. You know how to take and get a refund on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.